Okay, Rye. Keep that drag where it needs to be. Got a movie going. Got some spectators over here.
Yeah.
In a nice nitro. That is a submarine. That is a submarine. Yeah, I got one, except it only goes to 30 pounds. Keep that drag. No, but I got a hook. I got this guy. You want my grabber? You better put both hands in that mouth. You might want to tether your rod too. I'm gonna stop this and restart it. Get your hand in his mouth.
I'm gonna need those grippers probably.
Okay, I'm coming up on you.
That's my only chance. Here, you got it?
Yeah.
You might have to grip it.
I'm gripping.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna work it.
Hold my hand, grab my hand. Here we go. Get that.
I don't think it's gonna work. It's not gonna work.
Well, we might.
He's too bony.
It might.
There he goes. I just couldn't lift him.
That was a 50-pounder.
I couldn't grab him anywhere. His lip was too thick. I couldn't grab him. Yeah.
That was a 50-pounder.
That was huge.
Hey, dude, you got him to the boat. You got your hand in his mouth.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice job. Yep.
You do.
Oh well. Good job, buddy. I'm gonna sign off here. You got any word?
What's that?
Got any words of wisdom before I sign off?
Oh man, that's broke.
Oh, he broke it off. Look at that.
Yeah.
Signing off.
See ya.
Bye bye.